There's a 24th question from Digital SAT Test 3, Module 1. 23 says we need to emphasize the significance of Ochoa's discovery. That's the only thing you want to read for bullet points. And answer choice A, Ochoa's 1955 discovery of PNPase proved critical, important, significant to deciphering the genetic human code, leading to a better understanding of how genetic variations affect human health. This is just telling you what he hypothesized about it. This is telling you about it, and this is telling you about something he got wrong. See the full-length video, including much more in-depth explanation. Go to YouTube, IB Masters Learning. Go to the playlist, IB Masters Learning Center on YouTube, and then find Test 3, Module 1, number 24. The shorter videos are just below these longer videos. And make sure you click subscribe and check out this other bulleted question. Have a great day.